You're probably treating deep cleaning like a dreaded all-day marathon, and by the time your guests arrive, you're already exhausted. The truth? The way you're cleaning is costing you time and your sanity. What if I told you there's a do this, not that system for deep cleaning that actually saves you hours every month and keeps you from burning out? I tested it myself, and the results might surprise you. Here's the first mistake I made, winging it versus having a plan. When you wing it, you're relying on memory, and your brain, it's already overloaded. That's when you scramble for the toilet cleaner, realize you forgot the baseboards, and panic that guests will find the one spot you missed. Instead of winging it, create a plan. I actually tested this by asking AI to build me a 30-day deep cleaning checklist, tailored to my home. It broke everything down by room, task, and timeline. For the first time, I wasn't scrambling, and I finished without burning out. Another big mistake? Marathon cleaning days, waiting until everything piles up, then trying to do it all in one exhausting sprint. Marathon cleaning days are a big mistake. You lose an entire weekend, end up too exhausted to do anything else, and the worst part? It's draining, inefficient, and always leads to burnout. I tried breaking my deep cleaning into just one area during each turnover instead of tackling everything at once. Rotating tasks saved my sanity and still got the job done. Another trap, ignoring the little details until guests point them out in reviews. Waiting until guests complain keeps you stuck in panic mode. Ceiling fans collect dust, mirrors get streaky, and baseboards get missed, and guests always notice. To avoid this, I walk into every room like a guest would. I spot what they'd see first, the mirror, the fan, the baseboards, and fix it before they ever notice. Here's a sanity killer, overcleaning every single turnover. Deep cleaning everything, every guest, is a fast track to burnout. It wastes hours and drains your energy, even though guests can't tell the difference. I tested using Google Calendar to schedule monthly and seasonal deep cleans. It worked. I never feel like I'm forgetting anything, and I don't waste time doing it between every guest. And maybe the worst mistake, trying to do it all yourself. Tackling every deep clean job alone, from carpet shampooing to window washing, leaves you exhausted, stressed, and out of time. For me, hiring out the yard cleanup in the fall and again in the spring was a total sanity saver. Finding the right team to offload the heavy lifting to can be a game changer. As a special thank you for watching, I've got a limited time offer just for you. Tell me your favorite tip from this video in the comments, and I'll send you a special discount code for the hosted toolkit, the playbook you need to simplify guest prep, prevent burnout, and consistently elevate every stay.